on me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Raw Hair or Raw Virgin Hair Extensions. In today's video, I am going to discuss a few tips and tricks and what people are not saying about raw hair extensions. So first of all, this is a bundle of raw hair extension, and this extension is pretty very long, and the wave pattern is not defined, is not uniform. You can tell that the curl or wave pattern, it's all over the place and it's not as uniform as virgin hair extensions that Chinese factories provide, virgin hair extensions that AliExpress sellers provide. Virgin hair extensions are human hair that have been mixed with synthetic, sometimes horsehair and synthetic hair, and sometimes most of these virgin hair extensions, when you receive them, you will see a lot of like red hair strands, and viewers, that is not 100% human hair. The hair looks, most of the time, comes looking very shiny, and it's like literally over processed with chemicals and silicone. So once you wash normal virgin hair like once or twice, that's when the problem begins. People will be like, oh, my hair is snagging out the back, I can't put my hand through my hair, oh my days, what's going on? Have you seen how free and easy I can pull my hand through? And this is like 28-inch hair, Vietnamese straight hair. Viewers, there is no one that would tell you this. Whether your hair is long or whether your hair is short, it does not matter. You should be able to put your hand through your hair extensions, especially when you pay thousands or hundreds of dollars on it. Like, there should not be any sort of tangling. If there is tangling, it's not 100% human hair. Second, once you wash normal virgin hair extensions, the chemicals and the silicone that was used to make it shiny wears off, then the true nature of the hair starts to show. That's when you receive these tangling and the water of the hair turns into brown or red whenever you wash it, because sometimes they also dye hair to make the hair look nice. Raw hair should come in natural color and natural wavy or curly texture. The curl pattern of raw hair should be very similar to this. It should not be defined and uniform. This is a bundle that I just washed for a customer. I'm about to make a wig for a customer, and this is the bundle I washed, and this is the 26 bundle. Raw hair should not have issues. You only see the beauty of raw hair extensions when you wash it. That is when you see the real beauty of raw extensions, and it should come with a natural shine. You see how this hair has a natural shine / glow, or I don't know if you viewers can see, and that can only be achieved with raw hair. With normal virgin hair, once you wash it once or twice, the shine and everything of the hair tends to go away, and you see the real nature of what hair that you were sold. People love to save money, we all know that, but why not invest in something that will last you like 2 to 3 years, either than buying AliExpress, which will only, I can guarantee you, I make wigs for customers, I know what I'm talking about, it does not last. Once I treat that hair, the silicone, the chemicals is worn off and it starts to tangle when I'm basically curling the hair for clients. I personally do not wear AliExpress, and I will never wear it. I personally don't recommend AliExpress to my clients, but most of the time they don't listen. They send me their AliExpress hair bundles, and within 3 months they start to complain and they spend another coin in buying raw hair extensions. I usually get my raw hair extensions from one company. I'm not the type of person that deals with so many companies. So many people can review about 20 different hair companies. I really do not understand. Once you love something, you stick with it. I personally love the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. There's nothing that is perfect in this world, so if I recommend you and you go there and you receive any sort of experience, try and talk to customer service, and I can guarantee you it will be so ad. So this is a Vietnamese 26 inches. You can tell that the wavy texture of this hair is a natural wavy texture, and it's not defined. It's not, I don't know how to explain it. It's not defined like over processed and looking a certain uniform pattern. This hair will last at least 3 years, maximum 5 years. What I have on is still raw hair extensions, but in the straight texture, and this is the Vietnamese. Before I continue with my raw hair tips, I will give you a coupon code for this company. They call it the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and they deal with quality, good hair extensions that will last you at least minimum 3 years. All you need to do is to wash it, and you see the true nature of raw hair. Second tip of raw hair people usually ask, I heard raw hair is very high maintenance. Raw hair is not high maintenance. It's only high maintenance if you're a lazy person. Our own natural hair, we have the time to take care of it. So why do we expect to buy hair and not treat it? Raw hair usually comes when you buy from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. When you receive the hair, you don't have to wash it. It's entirely up to you. They wash the hair and condition each bundle before they ship it. So when you receive raw hair, you should smell of shampoo and conditioner, not corn chip or chemicals. Once there is corn chip and chemicals, like the way the Chinese people make the body wave texture, when you wash it, the hair becomes straight. We all know that. It's not a natural texture. This is a natural wavy texture. I want to show you viewers again. The curl is not defined. And with this is how it's going to be. It really takes well to curl, and it really takes well to straighten it. It bleaches very, very well. Like, raw hair is 100% organic human hair. So raw hair, tip number 3, what people don't tell you. I heard it becomes puffy. Viewers, what are you talking about? Puffy hair, what is wrong with puffy hair? If you don't want puffy hair, don't go for curly textures. Curly textured, regardless of any hair you are using, will go puffy and frizzy. That is the nature of curly hair. So if you're expecting to receive a magic hair that's not puffy and you choose curly hair, then I'm sorry. Just stick to wavy or straight hair textures like I've got on. This is your Vietnamese raw hair extension, and this is your straight hair. And this is natural wavy texture. Stick to wavy and straight. In that, you will not get any sort of puffiness or frizziness, I can guarantee you. Also, there are fakes out there, so when you're purchasing raw hair, be very, very careful where you buy your raw hair extensions from. As I said, I have a discount code for you viewers, which is my name, Atibel30, for 30% off. And this is a summer deal thing that I did with them, because listen, I use their hair extensions for all my clients, and all my clients love them. I make wigs for clients, by the way. So that's the reason why I only review this hair. There's no point reviewing any other hair. I've tried so many hairs, but at the end of the day, I always run back to the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique hair extensions. So viewers, I don't know what else to say. There are so many different types of raw hair. Raw hair is not only Indian hair. Raw hair comes in Indian, it comes in Laotian, it comes in Cambodian, and it comes in Vietnamese. All these Asian countries actually do cut their hair for clients to make it into weft and sell. So yes, all these countries are mentioned. That is where you will get raw hair. Cambodian, Vietnamese, Laotian, and Indian. So if you are using Brazilian hair and you're thinking that is raw hair, I'm sorry, that is not raw hair. Raw hair does not come in Brazilian hair. Secondly, raw hair is very, very easy maintenance, especially with your curly hair textures. Your curly hair textures is a natural curl pattern that is absolute tangle free. When I say tangle free, it does not tangle or snag like AliExpress over processed, chemically processed hair that after 2 or 3 washes, the hair starts to tangle. I will be doing more videos to show you raw curly hair and what it should look like. So stay tuned or visit my channel or subscribe so that you'll be updated when I upload those videos. Viewers, do not let anyone deceive you. Raw hair is the best hair out there. If you want to make your raw hair shiny and glossy, you can do it. All you need is the straight hair texture. And trust me, with a little bit of deep conditioner and treatment, your hair will be shiny like what I have on in this Vietnamese hair texture. So do not let people deceive you. Will your hair go frizzy and puffy? No, it wouldn't. When you try their natural straight textures or their natural wavy textures, the only way it becomes a bit frizzy if you choose curly hair texture. And ask anyone that has got naturally curly hair, they tell you their hair goes frizzy. So to tame all these frizziness, all you need to do is cold wash your hair, condition your hair, and use oil to tame your hair. And trust me, throughout the day, your hair will be very healthy and really, really good. So this is the information I wanted to tell you about raw hair. Do not let people deceive you. The raw hair does this, raw hair does that. It's all a lot of lies. They are being sold the wrong raw virgin hair extensions. The raw virgin hair I use, it doesn't tangle. All my clients love it. So if you have raw hair and it's tangling, I'm sorry, it's not. There are always fakes out there, so you need to be very, very careful of where you purchase your raw hair. But raw hair is one of the easiest maintaining hair, and you only see the beauty of raw hair, especially when you wash it. If you viewers did enjoy this video, thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos about raw hair extensions, stay tuned and I will show you. Also, I wanted to tell you viewers that I have a 30% coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Atival30, for 30% off when you purchase from the company, The Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. All their info will be in my description box down below. I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a blessed day.